This is the testnets dashboard. You can upload the Flash token here. You can also trade with it on Quotex. Today, I will show you how to create Flash USDT tokens. These tokens will look exactly like real Tether USDT. They will stay visible in wallets for at least 90 days. You need to invest at least 0.05 Ethereum. After creating them, you will get 50,000 Flash USDT tokens. You can send these tokens to other wallets or upload them to exchanges. They will be easy to trade because of high liquidity, so you can use them almost anywhere. Just like normal USDT, you can use them on many different platforms. Now, let's get into the guide. Go to Remix Ethereum. Create a new file and name it usdt.sol. Copy the old code. The code is in the video description. Paste it into your new file. Go to the Solidity compiler tab. Choose version 0.6.6 or higher. Then click Compile. Now deploy the contract. Go to the Deploy and Run Transactions tab. In the Environment section, choose Injected Provider MetaMask. Connect your MetaMask wallet. I recommend using MetaMask, it's the easiest to use. After connecting your wallet, your balance showing here. Now enter your token name, like Tether, and symbol, like USDT. Click Transact. Set the max fee. Round it to the nearest whole number. The first transaction may cost $4.07, depending on network traffic. Confirm the transaction. Once your contract is deployed, copy the contract address. And paste in Etherscan. See if the contract is working. Send at least 0.05 Ethereum to your contract address. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed. Refresh the Etherscan page. Check if your balance is showing in contract. Your balance should now be visible. Create and withdraw your tokens. Click Start. Set the max fee and confirm. This will mint and create your tokens. Wait for the transaction to finish. Withdraw your tokens. Click Withdraw. Enter the max fee and confirm it again. Confirm it in MetaMask. Once done, that means everything was done correctly. Wait a few minutes. Then check your wallet. Your Flash USDT tokens will appear in your wallet. If you have any questions, feel free to message me on Telegram.